Good afternoon, everyone. All are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Start your video for
Yes, ma'am.
Start your videos for 5 seconds. Let me see. Yes, Shivaji is there, Utkarsh is there, Ajinkya is there, Ghatpande is there, Abhishek Khose is there. Then Sanket has shown thumb. Remaining student, Shiva Raju is there,
Ma'am, my video is not getting on.
Suraj is there. Who is Navneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
you
my
are
video
there.
is not.
Okay, where is Prathamesh Rathod? Ashutosh Bad is also there. Okay, Ashutosh, yes. Vishal Gige, Achintya, are you there, Achintya? Achintya, Vishal, Vishal,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, start your video. Okay. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Achintya is also there?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, ठीक है. और कौन नहीं अभी? प्रथमेश राठौड़ ने नहीं ऑन किया. प्रथमेश राठौड़. He is not there, I think. Okay. So the example: log to the base 7, log x to the base 7. Let f of x will consider log x to the base 7. So d by dx of log of f of x to the base 7. Now we are having the log property. Log a to the base b, we can write log a to the base c. Any common base you can take to the base c. You can take natural logarithm also. So by using the same, I have d by dx of log f of x to the base e upon log 7 to the base e. Any doubt till this? Any doubt? Utkarsh?
No, ma'am.
Then this term will be constant. It will come out. So 1 upon log 7 to the base e d by dx of log of f of x. Now what log function says? If the derivative we have to write, we are writing the reciprocal of the given function, that is 1 upon f of x, and we are multiplying by the derivative of the given function. So this will be equals to 1 upon log 7 to the base e 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. Equation number 1. What is f of x? Log x to the base 7. This we can write log x to the base e upon log 7 to the base e. So f dash will be what? 1 upon log 7 to the base e as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Can we put f of x and this f dash x in equation number 1? Can we put? Here we have the given derivative will be 1 upon log 7 to the base e into, what is the function? Log x to the base 7. 1 upon log x to the base 7 into derivative of f is 1 upon x into log 7 to the base e. So we have x to the base 7 into log 7 to the base e its square. Any doubt? Yes, boys. You are having doubt, that's why I have taken this question. फिर से देख लो एक बार, कोई डाउट है क्या पूछ लो. अचिंत्य, any doubt is there? ठीक है. उत्कर्ष, शिवा, अजिंक्य.
मैम सॉल्विंग.
ठीक है. ये स्टेप में कोई डाउट है क्या?
नो, आई एम क्लियर है.
ओके. ठीक है. So We'll continue with the yesterday's example. We have started. We have taken last. We have proved x plus y upon x minus y equal. Yes. Then one more question in 2000 they have asked. So we'll take the example which is asked in 2018. For 4 marks it was asked. So the example is if
मैम हे स्टेप नहीं समझ ली मैम.
कोणती वाली?
मैम राइट साइड सेकंड स्टेप. नहीं वरती हाँ.
In
ma'am, this-
equation 1, I substitute the value of fx and f dash x. Okay?
f dash x काय आलं मग तसं 1 by x into 1 by log x.
नाही.
मग हे काय मग?
Log 7 है ना? Log 7 constant term. Log 7 to the base e. And derivative of log x is 1 by x to the base e.
नाही समजलं. अच्छा म्हणजे तुम्ही ते काय सेपरेट केलं का? log x natural log घेतलं मग log x by
What
log
I've
7
done
मग
here,
log 7 constant.
I have taken this log x to the base 7 as fx.
हाँ okay.
To be confused,
ma'am, समझ
log, double log, if it is coming, you are getting confused. So that's why I have taken fx equals to log x to the base 7. And then equation 1 I have given to this step. And then we put the value for fx and f dash x. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So we'll take the example on parametric
मैम मग
function.
फाइनल आंसर क्या है? फाइनल आंसर क्या है?
1 upon x, log x to the base 7, log 7 to the base e whole square.
1 by x. मैम log 7 कैंसिल झालं ना?
नाही ना रे.
मैम एक log 7 कैंसिल करू शकता तुम्ही.
कुठे कॅन्सल करशील? Cancel.
मैम इथं नॅचरल लॉग आहे.
No,
त्याला सेकंड
All terms
second
are
term
coming
है
in the
ना?
denominator. How we can cancel it?
मैम सेकंड टर्म आहे ना, त्याला असं लिहा log 7 by log x. मग ते
That we
एक
can
log
do.
log
But-
7 कैंसिल
But
होतं.
this is also sufficient though. No need to cancel it. You are asking this log x to the base e and here log 7. One power will get cancelled. That only you are asking ना?
येस मॅम.
ठीक आहे.
कॅन्सल
केलं
होतं
तरी
ना ते.
चालेल, नाही केलं तरी चालेल. हे असं म्हणत आहे ना तू 1 upon x log x to the base e log 7 to the base e upon log 7 to the base e. एक power is log. So it will be 1 upon x log x to the base e log 7 to the base e. This you are asking? Yes?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
This is sufficient, but this is sufficient. And if you want to cancel, you can cancel also. Okay?
Okay ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay. So now examples on parametric functions. Questions which is asked in
आणखीन एक
previous
डाउट
years.
होता.
We'll take it. Differentiation of parametric functions. Write down in x equals to Ajinkya, you ask me one question, I will solve you. I will give it to Ajinkya.
मॅम झाला सर
झाला का? Okay. Answer verify केलं?
हा व्हेरीफाय केलं तेच आहे.
Correct आहे ना? Same method?
येस मॅम.
A raised to x and x raised to n. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. I forgot for solving that. Okay. A 2 theta plus minus sine 2 theta and y equals to a 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta. If x and y is given in the terms of theta, then find dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 3. Find dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 3. So what is the derivative? What is the derivative? Yes, boys, what is the derivative? Is a as it is. Derivative of 1 with respect to theta will be 0 minus derivative of cos 2 theta is derivative of cos 2 theta is derivative
minus
of
sin 2 theta.
minus 2 sin 2 theta. Correct?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Minus sign as it is. Derivative of cos will be minus 2 sin 2 theta bracket complete. So it will be minus minus plus 2a sin 2 theta. Okay, this is your derivative of y with respect to theta. Okay, now dx by d theta. Dx by d theta. A as it is, derivative of 2 theta with respect to theta will be 2 minus derivative of sin 2 theta will be 2 cos 2 theta. Any doubt? So this we can write 2a in bracket 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta. So what is 1 minus cos 2 theta in the terms of sine? Trigonometry.
Sin square 2 theta.
फिर से सोचो उस पे.
2 sin square 2 theta. नहीं 2 sin square theta.
2 sin square theta.
2 sin square
Ma'am,
theta.
2 sin square theta by 2.
Confirm now?
Yes ma'am, 2 sin square theta by 2.
और कौन बोल रहा है थीटा बाई 2 वाला कौन है अभी?
Theta by 2 नहीं
Mummy.
theta.
Here.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ बोल खैरे फिर से बोल खैरे.
Ma'am, 2 sin square theta by 2.
थीटा बाई 2.
मॅम ते कॉस थीटा ना हाफ अँगल घ्यायचं असतं.
आता मग cos 2 थीटा आहे ना ते. मग हाफ
हा
अँगल
मग थीटा.
हाँ.
मग थीटा.
dx by d theta will be 2a 2 sin square theta. Yes, because sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 and cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, so we have dy by d theta and dx by d theta, both the values we have. So dy by dx will be equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, and which will be equal to 2a sin 2 theta, 2a sin 2 theta upon 4a sin square
At
theta.
pi by 3.
Okay. 2a will be cancelled with 2 in sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta is there, whole thing divided by 2 sin square theta. Again 2 will get cancelled. This sin theta will be cancelled with this power. So we have what? Cot theta. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we have to find? Now dy by dx is cot theta. We have to find dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 3. So dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 3. So it will be cot of pi by 3. So what is cot pi by 3? Means what is cot 60?
Root 3, ma'am. Root 3. No,
What
1 by
is
root
root 3 wala?
3. 1 by root 3.
हाँ,
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. ठीक है? So this question was asked for 4 marks. Getting any doubt? Means for dy by dx 1 mark, dx by d theta, sorry, dy by d theta 1 mark, dx by d theta 1 mark, dy by dx value 3 marks, and dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 3 1 mark. So 4 marks you will get if you will solve it properly. Next, any doubt in this question? Any doubt?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. So next question we'll take. In 2018 only, one question is asked for 4 marks, but here second derivative is used. So we'll see that question later. Then we have in 2017, this question is asked for 2 marks. The question is if find dy by dx 2017 for 2 marks. Find dy by dx at t equals to 2 pi by 3. At t equals to 2 pi by 3. When x equals to 10 in bracket t minus sin t and y equals to 12, 1 minus cos t. चलो सॉल्व करो ये क्वेश्चन सबने सॉल्व करना है क्वेश्चन. सेम एग्जांपल है जैसा प्रीवियस है वैसा ही है. At least you can find dy by dt and dx by dt. Yes. Will you find? Abhijit Chattar, now you have joined beta.
dy by dx.
Yes.
T equal to 2 pi by. मतलब 10 है क्या?
Yes, 10. What is dx by dt? Have you solved?
कोणतं? Which?
dx by dt काय आलं?
n into 1 minus cos t.
Yes, correct. We have x function is x is the function of t, which is 10 in bracket t minus sin t. So dx by dt is 10 in bracket 1 minus cos t. Okay, and dy by dt is 12 in bracket 0 plus sin t. Any doubt? So we have dy by dx by dt, which is equals to 12 sin t whole thing divided by 10 in bracket 1 minus cos t. So dy by dx is equals to 12 upon 10, 6 by 5. Okay, sin t. This sin t we can write. Utkarsh, what is 1 minus cos t in terms of sin?
2 sin square theta by 2 sin square t by 2.
2 sin square t by 2. Yes, very good. 2 sine square t by 2. So this also will write sine t. How we can write sine t? In sine and cos, how we can write?
2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2.
Yes, yes. 2 into sine t by 2 into cos t by 2. 2 will cancel. Sine t by 2 will cancel with this power 2. So we have 6 by 5 cos t by 2 upon sine t by 2. We have cot t by cot of t by 2. This is your now what you are doing, the what is asked dy by dt at 2 pi by 3. तुम्ही काय करतात माहित आहे का, स्टार्टिंग पासूनच t ला आहे ना 2 pi by 3 पुट अप करतात. So any step, if any step will be wrong, you will lose your marks. So better way you find, you first write dy by dx in terms of t, and at the last step you put up. Okay, so dy by dx at t equals to 2 pi by 3. It will be equals to 6 by 5 into cot of 2 will be cancelled. So we have 6 by 5 into cot pi by 3. What is cot pi by 3? Now only we have solved 1 upon
Root 3.
root 3. Yes. 6 by 5 into 1 upon root 3. Simplify. We also upon 5.
3 by 5.
Okay. So this can be equal to 2 root 3 upon 5. ये भी आंसर 5 root 3 भी करेक्ट है, दोनों आंसर करेक्ट है. ठीक है. Then also you will get full marks. Okay. नहीं देना out of marks. ठीक है. 2017 for 4 marks. Any doubt in this? Boys,
No,
any
ma'am.
doubt?
Oh, ma'am. Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Who is saying yes?
Clear, clear.
Clear, ma'am, clear.
Okay, okay, clear, clear. ठीक है.
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, yes. Two 2017, if x equals to cos theta plus theta sin theta. Third question, 2017 for 4 marks. If x equals to a cos theta, theta sin theta, and y equals to a in bracket sin theta minus theta cos theta. Okay. Then find double derivative they have asked, but we'll find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. चलो करो जल्दी जल्दी. What is
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
huh?
Your voice is not coming properly, ma'am.
I'm not getting. Yes, Suraj. What happened, beta?
मैम आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, okay. Just a minute. Yes, Suraj.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. ठीक.
Okay, now. So dy by d theta will be a in bracket derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So con Atharva, tell me product rule for differentiation. Yes, Atharva Bhatpande.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, product rule सांग बेटा. Differentiation चा. If two functions we have f and g, how will differentiate the product f into g?
Ma'am, x into d by dx of f plus plus f into d by dx of g.
Yes, correct. And if we'll apply this to d by d theta of theta into cos theta, what is the differentiation? Ashutosh, what you will tell me now? Ashutosh, are you there, Ashutosh? आशुतोष
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
हाँ चलो बताओ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ थीटा cos थीटा with respect to थीटा
Ma'am, derivative of
बोर्ड दिसतोय का
uh,
हाँ
yes, ma'am. D by d theta.
हाँ d by d थीटा ऑफ थीटा into cos थीटा चलो बताओ जल्दी
Ma'am, cos theta चा minus sin theta.
तसं नको सांगू मला आन्सर सांग ते माहिती आहे मला cos थीटा minus sin थीटा थीटाचा 1 ते माहिती आहे मला डायरेक्ट आन्सर सांगा मयांक Mayank has joined, I think. Aditya Tavde, are you there? Aditya? Mayank, Aditya, Vishal. Vishal, sang bara. Vishal, what is the derivative? Ashutosh. Yes, Navneet. What is the derivative? Navneet.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ क्या है डेरिवेटिव थीटा कॉस थीटा का बताओ जल्दी
मैम थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा.
yes so I will put this value here it will be minus this minus and this minus will be plus theta sin theta and minus any doubt in this step any doubt
No, ma'am.
okay Mayank
No, ma'am.
and Mayank are you there
Yes, ma'am.
then why you not replied I have asked you the derivative Mayank Aditya Davde
Ma'am, my mic was not working. Moreover, ma'am, that day I was for my appointment at doctor. He is
Okay.
very strict doctor. He scolded me because of you.
what happened
I was at an appointment with my doctor. You were asking for switching on the camera. He scolded me.
okay डॉक्टर का डांटना इतना मनते
Not audible, ma'am. Not audible.
ठीक है a theta sin theta will be there now any doubt yes Shiva Suraj any doubt
No, ma'am.
ठीक है
No, ma'am.
next dx by d theta a minus sin theta now what is the derivative of theta into sin theta plus sin theta can be right it out here. So
No, ma'am.
it will be a theta cos theta. So this is your dx by d theta. With respect to x equals to dy by d theta. A theta sin theta whole thing divided by a theta cos theta. So it is equals to theta and a theta. This a theta theta will be get cancelled. So divided tan theta. Okay. So its second derivative. The question was asked for the question was second derivative. We have to find d2y by dx square. So derivative we have to find here. Second derivative it is remaining. Okay. And now also you can differentiate this twice. Differentiation you have. So the double derivative d2y by dx square. What is the derivative of tan theta then?
X square theta.
No, but here now what happened? Here dy by dx is tan theta. We have to find here. We cannot differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, so I have to tell you in detail. I will tell you. Let it be. So this is dy by dx. This only we have to find. Any doubt? Mayank, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question. In 2016, for 4 months, equals to a sine 2 theta. 2016 for 4 marks. See, student, for 4 marks, this question can come. Finding the derivative of parametric functions. So, 2016, if x, which is a function of t, a sine 2t, in bracket 1 plus cos 2t, 1 plus cos 2t, and y equals to b cos 2 in bracket 1 minus cos 2t, 1 minus cos 2t. See, t equals to pi by 4. Find the values of pi by 4 and t by 3. Okay. So for finding the values of the derivative at the given point, differentiate to variable t. Getting? Yes. So find the derivative dy by dt and dx by dt. And tell me what is dy by dt and dx by dt. Here also you have to use the product rule. चलो अभी कौन बताएगा मुझे product rule? शिवाजी राउत. Are you there, शिवाजी?
Yes, ma'am.
हम क्वेश्चन नहीं दे सकते.
हाँ मी बाजूला होते. अजिंक्य. अजिंक्य.
Ma'am, I am there, Shivaji.
हाँ शिवाजी, what is the derivative of y with respect to t?
Present, ma'am.
I'm not taking attendance. Have you solved the question?
Ma'am,
Have
this
done
may-
the assignment?
Ma'am, product rule is fx into d by dx of gx and plus gx into d by dx of fx.
Apply that product rule here for finding dy by dt.
Yes, ma'am.
Solve it and tell me the final dy by dt.
Ma'am, will you please move aside? I am not able to see the question.
So dy by dt will be b constant derivative of first function, that is minus 2 sine 2t, second function constant 1 minus cos 2t. Okay, then plus first function constant, derivative of cos is minus sine minus minus plus 2 sine. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
We kept second function constant, derivative of first minus 2 sine 2t, second function as it is, plus first function as it is, derivative of second is 0 plus 2 sine 2t. So if we simplify this, we will get b in bracket minus 2 sine 2t plus 2 sine 2t into cos 2t. This will be 0 plus 2 sine 2t into cos 2t. So this will be 2 plus 2 will be 4. 4 times sine 2t cos 2t. B in bracket minus 2 sine 2t. We can take common also. Plus 4 sine 2t into cos 2t. So here we can take out 2 sine 2t common. 2 sine 2t in bracket. It will be 2 cos 2t minus 1. Any doubt in this step? Last step? Any doubt? Yes, Shiva, Suraj. Any doubt?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Minus 2 sine plus 2 cos 2t
B.
B will be there. B will be there. 2B will be there. And boys, if you want, you can change this double angle also. 2 cos 2 theta, no?
मॅम ते साइन 4t असणार ना 2 sin 2t cos 2t वाला मॅम सेकंड लास्ट स्टेप मध्ये
4 sin 2t cos 2t ना.
अच्छा अच्छा समजलं
2 into 2 4 केले ना मी.
यस मॅम यस मॅम
ठीक है.
b sin 2t
ठीक है. So dx by dt.
cos 4t minus 1
What is dx by dt? Direct will write, huh? 2 cos 2t. This bracket will be same. Directly I will multiply. Okay, I will write the bracket. You will not understand this. 1 plus cos 2t. Bracket.
वरचा बोर्ड दिसत नाही
So, एक मिनिट. ठीक आहे का? आणि ब्लर दिसत असेल.
नाही मॅम क्लियर आहे आता नाही नाही
Okay.
हा मॅम
Then first function constant sine 2t, derivative of this will be 0 minus 2 sine 2t. ठीक है. Any doubt? I will check. Sine cos cos cos. Yes, correct. bracket complete. So it will be a in bracket 2 cos 2t plus 2 cos square 2t minus 2 sin square 2t. Okay. So what will be there? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos 2 theta. चालेल ना? Can we use cos square theta minus sin square theta as a cos 2 theta means cos 4t will be there. Any doubt?
एक और
Okay, 420 is there, no? Okay. Boys, will you solve this question?
yes ma'am.
I will solve you the answer. I will send you the answer. I will solve this and I will send the final answer. You verify it. Okay? Yes?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Pramila ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, your lecture is there, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
मैम
Yes?
योगिता मैम
हाँ बोल बोल अजिंक्य
हम साइन स्क्वेअर मध्ये 2x+1 चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं काढणार
which step
साइन स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट मध्ये 2x+1
एक तर कुठेच नाहीये
मॅम तो क्वेश्चन विचारतो त्याचा स्वतःचा क्वेश्चन आहे मॅम
अच्छा अच्छा बोल सांग
मॅम दुसरा क्वेश्चन आहे याच्याशी रिलेटेड नाही आहे
हाँ हाँ सांग सांग
साइन स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट मध्ये 2x+1
ब्रॅकेट मध्ये 2x प्लस
2x+1
डिफरन्शिएट करायचंय का
हा
फंक्शन
Yes,
रेस टू
ma'am.
n 2 sin 2x plus 1 रेस टू 2 minus 1 म्हणजे ते 1च येणार into derivative of sin is cos 2x plus 1 and derivative of bracket will be 2. It will be 4 sin 2x plus 1 cos 2x plus 1. Here you can write this as a 2 sin 2x plus 1. ठीक है? Yes, Ajinkya? Clear?